Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to activate your Coinbase card. If you don't have a Coinbase account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 free in Bitcoin. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. Here, you will see several options. Tap on Coinbase card. On this screen, you will see a section that says Activate your card. Tap on Activate your card. Now, you will see a button for Activate physical card. Tap on Activate physical card. To activate your card, enter the 16-digit card number and CVV. Then tap on the Activate Card button. Lastly, create a 4-digit PIN. Enter it on the field provided, then tap on Set PIN. And now your card is activated. That's how you activate your Coinbase card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.